Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how our list, our lift gonna work. So first of all, we press to preset and clear to equal to 1 because this is the synchronous counter. As you can see, we have 3 bit E flip-flop and 3B flip-flop, so the synchronous counter must have 8 bit 8 bit binary numbers. So after we press the preset and clear to 1, we need also to press active E equal to 1 because this is we call the E invoked in the E flip-flop. So if you don't press 2 equal to 1, so the disk gonna work, cannot work. So we press power and start. So we go to the comparator for comparator to is as a input. As an input, so we gonna go at 7 floor. In binary number, 7 floor equal to 1 1 1. So our input is 7. So when we go to the leaf, okay, this leaf, and as you can see, this is 0. So we need to go to the 7th floor. So as you can see, this is clock. So we press clock one by one, and you will see the clock is pressed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And it cannot to go up anymore because it end at 8 bit flip-flop. So it stop at 7th floor. So if we want to go down, so we just press X equal to 1 because count up equal to 0 and count down equal to 1. So we go back to the comparator and we press the 0 binary bit binary, and we press the clock. So we goes down one by one until the grounded floor. Is 0 floor is 0. So after it becomes 0 and you goes down at the end of flip. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I'm going to share to you about our advanced feature that we added to the leaf convert. As previously Shasha Wafa had been explained to you how the basic circuit work. Okay, so we have added 2 advanced feature in our leaf. Okay, first we've added the password. So the user, in order to use the leaf, the user have to put the password first before using the leaf. In order to make the leaf work, the user have to put the password. Okay, second, we've add a statement. So when the user enter to the leaf, there will be 2 statements. There will be one statement which is open and hello. Then when they want to leave the lift, it will be close and bye. Okay, so today I'm going to share to you how it works. Okay, first, as previously Shasha Wafa had explained before, okay, just put active E1. Okay, active E1, clear 1, and clear 1. Okay, then you don't have to change the S1 because we want to go to the count outright. We want to go to the upper floor because as we can see here, the current floor of the leaf is 0, so they can't go lower. They must go higher. So if you put countdown 0, the leaf if you put the countdown one, I'm sorry, the lift not gonna work because we want to go to the highest as I mentioned before. Okay, so put this one and start. Okay, and then okay, I want to show to you how the lift doesn't work when the user doesn't put the password. Okay, so I'm just gonna let the password session without any input, right? Okay, password session. Okay, then okay, for example, the user wants to go to the floor number 5. Okay, 101. Okay, as you can see, when they just push the button number 5, it will be open and hello, right, as I mentioned before. So but the user doesn't put the password, so we're gonna see does the lift gonna work. Okay, just press the clock button. 1, 2, 3. No, the lift doesn't move from ground floor to another floor. So we're going to try to put the password. Okay, as it stated here, just press 7C, 5, and 2. Okay, so let's gonna try again. Okay, you're gonna see that the lift start to moving. Okay, as an example, this is floor number 3, right? So we're gonna see at the output statement, it's still open and hello, although the lift is work. Okay, just we want to go to lift number 5 to make the output become close and by. Okay, 5. Yeah, when it reach floor number 5, the output statement will be close and by. It shows that our advanced feature works well here. Okay, if you want to go to the higher level, although the the user put the input as number 5, floor number 5, it doesn't work because the user put input to the floor number 5. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ravinesh, and today I would like to explain about our digital legit final project, which is about a lift controlling system, and I would like to explain about our circuit for part 2, which is same as the previous circuit, but we have added some bus components, which will make the wiring part look a bit simpler. And our circuit uses a decoder function which will function as a password input system, and the password that input must be correct so that the circuit can function properly. And we've also added bus component at our input, where the user will put which floor they want to go. And so let me demonstrate it, how the circuit will work. So first we put our power to high, set our power to high, and then we will go to the password, and so we input our correct password. And then when the password is correct and all the LEDs are light up, so we can go to the next, which we will set our pre and clear to high, and then we need to active our E, because we are using a D flip-flop which has a enabler. So when the E is high, it will enable all the flip-flop. And so I want to demonstrate it, the lift system as going up. So let the X is 0, and then let me set the floor. Let's say we want to go to 7th floor, even though we have until 16, but since our lift controlling system only use 3 bits, so we need to use only until 7. So and then we can go to start. So when we press the clock, we can see the output is going high. It will go up, and we need to click again, so it will go to floor 2, and then we need to click it again and again, so it will reach floor 7. When it reach floor 7, the floor we desired, so when we click again the clock, it won't move anywhere. So let me demonstrate it again with some lower floors, which will go high. 7, C, 2. Okay. Then let me put free and clear high active E. So let's just put our floor to floor 3. So and then we click start, then let the clock function, then go. When it reach 3, when I press the clock again, it won't go any higher or lower. So and when we reach the correct floor, it will show the door will close and show the display bye to the users. And that's all for my part. Thank you.
A very good day to our lecturers, Firuz. I'm Wilson Wong with CAD Matrix A23CS0196. So now I'm going to talk about the advanced feature of our project, which is eFlip-flop with bus component. So as my previous member already explained about the bus component, which is bus connection, and the decoder and the comparator. So in our advanced feature, we apply a password using decoder and a display function for our advanced feature circuit. So if it's an E flip-flop, we need to make sure that our enable is always high, and in our situation our free and clear will be high. So for our circuit, count up is equals to 0 and countdown is equal to 1. So right now we are on the floor 0, which is level 1. So if we want to go up to the floor, for example floor number 3, we're going to set here to number 3, floor number 3, and then we are going to power up and start it. So we are going to enable the clock to go up, but as we can see, the floor won't go up because there is a password that required. So for example, if I enter a password which is 6C52, the floor still won't go up because it's an incorrect password. So in order to make the floor go up, a correct password is needed. So the correct password for our circuit is 7C52. So in this situation, as you can see, when you enter the clock, the floor will go up until floor number 3, which is our desired floor, and it won't go up anymore. So when we are going down, as we can see, the display will be close and bye if we reach our desired floor. So for example, if you're going to go down, which is countdown equals to 1, and our floor is, for example, floor number 1, it will display open hello, which means that we haven't reached our desired floor. So in this situation, we're going to enter our clock. As you can see, the floor will go down, and then the display will change from open hello to close by. So that's all for our advanced feature. Thank you, sir.